Harley-Davidson first came to India 10 years ago in 2010 with just 5 locations. The year now is 2020 and the American cult bike maker has decided to shut shop in the country. It's leaving behind 33 dealership touchpoints. The last of these dealerships was added as recently as December 2019. These dealerships are now navigating a hasty transition as they say the company left the country and them without a plan.
The last bike came to us on the 23rd and our termination notice came on 24th. Just one day after that. So there was business as usual till the afternoon or till the time we received the letter.
Dealers say Harley's offer leaves a lot to be desired. First, the compensation of 1,500 rupees per square feet of facility with 10% depreciation for each year the facility has been in operation means each location is looking at a loss of 2 to 3 crore rupees on showroom infrastructure. Second is the 6 months sales margin for dealers who choose not to continue their business under the tie-up with Hero. These dealers will be left holding around 70 to 80 crore rupees worth of inventory in products and merchandise.
We will lose around 14-15 crores while shutting this business down, and with the current offer that we have from Harley, we will lose almost 15 crores in this business.
For many dealers, Harley's decision to ride away is a harsh cut because they were customers who decided to turn their passion for the cult bikes into a livelihood.
Till 2020, when we got this news that Harley is exiting, I never made money from the business. The way things were projected to us, that smaller displacement bike will be coming. So we were hopeful that definitely the business will turn into profit. It was really very devastating. So anyway, their total behavior changed. The approach towards their partners who have worked for so many years, it changed. Space, I get a compensation of around 35 lakh rupees.
35 lakhs. And you've invested
4 crores. In just setting up the showroom space.
Under the new Harley-Hero partnership, Hero MotoCorp will only absorb 10 of the 33 existing Harley dealerships. But dealers are apprehensive if they can make the partnership work, given the company has decided to pull the plug on its medium and small displacement bikes for the market. Even with that, Hero will retain only about half the number of existing Harley dealers, and a large number of them will have to end up shutting shop altogether.
There's no possibility. Like in a small city, 80% of the sale is the street. With 80% volume model gone, I do not see any possibility of survival. So that's the challenge with the dealers.
I'm not interested to go with Hero because it doesn't make a business sense. My market doesn't have that potential of a bigger displacement bike.
Central to the Harley-Davidson community are its riders. This community is worried that the supply of spare parts, which was already constrained due to the pandemic, will become even tougher to come by as Harley's supply chain is cut off.
There is no comparison between Harley and the Hero group. As of now, we don't have oil, we don't have the batteries are not there, the oil is not there, so how do you get the bike serviced?
It was a religion, and that cannot happen with any other brand. And they cannot come up to that emotional level in any case. You cannot implore people to associate themselves to another brand just because you mismanaged.
Harley's assurances that the supply of parts will resume in January 2021 have not had much effect. And even as Hero readies to guide Harley's next chapter in India, winning the confidence of riders and dealers and keeping the love affair alive will be challenge number 1. In New Delhi, Alisha Sachdev.